Hi, it's Rana, and I have an unboxing video for you today. And this package is all the way from Canada, Simply Stated Design. And I was lucky enough to win a challenge on the Rediscover Your Stash scrapbook or Facebook group. And so I used my gift certificate and then went crazy and ordered a bunch of extra stuff. So let's see if I can get this out and we can unbox this, unbag it. I ordered for myself and for my scrappy bestie. So there's a couple of things in here that are hers as well. So I'm going to just kind of go through everything. Isn't that pretty? I love the watercolor look. The fonts, or probably handwritten fonts, are beautiful. Look how pretty those are. May all your weeds be wildflowers. I'm not going to take everything out. Bloom with kindness. All good things are wild and free. So pretty. I love the softness of this. Look at this tag. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. There's a blue one in there too. I am not well versed on the names of each collection, but if I see it, I will let you know what they are. This one doesn't say, but I can see. This one was for my friend, and I can tell it's kind of a Disney looking one. I'm not going to open hers. This one with the birds and the florals is also hers. Pretty florals. This one I know is mine. Look how cute these little bees are. This one might have even been like a title of Cute as Can Be or something. I had some cute as can be pictures I wanted to do. Lots of really pretty soft florals. In fact, this might have been with that. I can't remember. It's been a little bit. She had some trouble. The package that she sent out was lost in the mail between here and Canada, and she very graciously resent it, and I got it today, so I'm super excited. Look how cute. They're big sweet eyes. Oh my goodness, this one's winking. Are those the cutest? So cute. Okay, this one is some monsters or aliens. Aren't those funny? Lots of those. I thought those would be cute for the grandsons, some of their little toddler pictures and things. I thought they were sort of cute. Something different. And this one I also think maybe is my friend's, or maybe not. I can't remember. I might have ordered this one. I'm going to have to look back now. I love all the woodland creatures, so it very well might have been mine. It's a wolf and a deer. Some beautiful trees. Oh my goodness, an owl and a raccoon. So pretty. Oh, look at the little bear cub. Sweet. Okay, that I'm not sure whose it is, so I'm going to have to set that one aside and check on. This one has some gorgeous florals, some frames. Beautiful. These will be fun to use. Look at these. A moon, maybe. Beautiful. Love it. And each of these will have, each of these will also have the paper collections to go with them, I'm sure. Some more woodland, kind of a different, more mature vibe. Very, very pretty. That waterfall. Gorgeous. Very pretty. I had to get this one. This is so fun. Who doesn't need some disco balls? I don't have the foggiest idea what I'm going to use them for, but they're so cute. So cute. This company sells their papers and die cuts and things as either a glossy print or a flat, and I ordered the flat. So I have some astronauts to go along with my aliens. Lots of cute astronauts. This one's taking a selfie. So fun. Love those. Their Facebook page, there's the rockets and things to go with those too. Their Facebook page has lots of gorgeous inspiration all the time. So Simply Stated is what the name of it is, and you can go to their Facebook page and see all of their inspiration, or go to the website and see all the different, they have collections, new collections coming out all the time. This one goes with the bees that I was showing you. Look how pretty this tag is. So pretty. Lots of little sayings. I love them. Be silly, cute as a bee. Be my honey. Be fearless, be mine. Love it. Those will be fun. Then this one, I literally ordered these just for this because my youngest, or my granddaughter, my oldest granddaughter, had this on her, a flamingo on her swimming suit this year, and so I really just ordered it because I wanted that. Look how cute this is. And then her brother has the matching swimming suit as well, and I thought I could do something with this. I thought that was fun. Set these over here. This one, so pretty. Be perfect with that space one. Then a wood one with the, to go with the woodland thing. And then this one is, my friends, a dragon. This will go, I thought, so perfect with those disco balls. And this one too, super bright, super happy. Got a couple of these that were all kind of their solids, so I could do several pages. Not sure which one this one went with. This one might have been with the space one also. I think so. These were all the space ones. Very, very pretty. Whole galaxy there. And then I bet this one went with the flamingos. Super cute, pink and white polka dot. That one, I love the watercolory look of these, so pretty. Nice vintage, grungy. Oh, that's pretty. You can see the mountains up there. Oh, we got 2 of that one. And here is the Sweet as Honey paper pack. I got the whole thing. So all of these papers are in there, and then they had that. Love it. And this one was the solids to go with the, I love those. So I got some separate, and then this one that was more of the solid, or they read as solid. And then Sweet Spring Skies. So that was, you saw the florals and stuff that were part of this collection. And those tags and everything with this. So, so pretty. So that's everything. So fun. I'm going to enjoy this. Bye.